looking forward to giving customers ideas, giving them opportunities to take advantage of having a machine purchased and shipped by year end.
From our customer's perspective, it's rare that they are able to take some time away out of their environment so that they can come here. They're not distracted by all the things that they have to deal with day to day.
The attendance is very high, the interest is high. You know, the customers are just engaged with the technology they're able to see.
They get to see Okuma and then all the different technology that comes along with the Okuma control. Different software and hardware capabilities that it has, and different things that it can do for our customers. The technology that's in the control is unlike anything else in the world today, and we're very fortunate to represent a brand like Okuma.
The variety of applications is exciting because different customers are interested in different things. And so we're showing the changing technologies in automation, additive manufacturing, data collection, artificial intelligence. Whatever customers are interested, they can find more about it here at Okuma.
This facility exists really to be a sandbox or a playground for all of our partner companies that we partner with, as well as our customers. So we provide the machine tools, we turn this over to the shop floor and let all of our partner companies team up together to come up with new manufacturing solutions that can be tested out, proven, and implemented for customer solutions.
We can take the time to show them the machines and the add-ons and the things that will help them do more with less.